How to go as Billie Joe Armstrong, of Green Day, for Halloween. So you like Green Day? Looking for something for a Halloween costume and don't want to spend much money? Dress up as Green Day's frontman Billie Joe Armstrong for Halloween. Steps. 1. Decide which tour you want to dress like Billie Joe from. The two most trendy are from the American Idiot Tour, 2005, and 21st Century Breakdown Tour, 2010. 2. American Idiot. Black skinny jeans. Black short sleeve button down. Solid red necktie, 1.52. 3-row metal studded belt. Full black Converse Low Tops. 3. 21st Century Breakdown. Red and black striped skinny jeans. Black long sleeve button down. Solid white necktie, 1.52. 3-row studded belt. Full black Converse Low Tops. 4. Both looks require makeup. I'd suggest a black, gray smoky eye with some additional black eyeliner. 5. Don't forget the accessories. Bring a guitar, harmonica, or something to play Green Day music on. Tips. Just remember, follow neighborhood trick or treat rules, and have the time of your life. Maybe a few of your friends could go as the other members, Mike Dirnt and Trey Cool, or various family, Billie's sons, his wife Adrienne, or just follow you around as an avid Green Day fan. Make it fun. Watch Bullet in a Bible, the 2005 American Idiot Tour, or interviews for tips on how to talk like him. Warnings. Makeup burns when you get it in your eyes. Be careful when applying it. Keep in mind that some of the lyrics have bad words that some people will find offensive or not appropriate for a family setting. Things. Clothes for selected era. Accessories such as a guitar, harmonica, music player. A take on the world, I don't care attitude for American Idiot era.